Hi, it's Maria, and I am here to lead you through a total body yoga. And as you can see, I have a little curious friend who also wanted to join and got curious about what I was doing there. So come to your seat and bring your hands together at center, thumbs to sternum. Lengthen all the way up the spine and try to balance yourself here so that you're equally balanced on both sides. Reach the arms up towards the ceiling, keep the hands together, and then bring the hands back to center, thumbs at sternum. As you inhale, let the arms reach up, extending through all sides. And as you exhale, the hands come back to center. Inhale, the arms reach up, extend in all directions, and exhale, the hands back to center. Bring the hands to your knees and start to sway your torso from one side to the other. Let the movements feel organic for your body. As you move, let go of tension in your low back and your entire spine. And then begin to make circles here with your torso. Forward as you inhale and back as you exhale. So nice circles as you let go of tension and tightness in your body. Let the circles feel good, following your breath. And then begin to circle the other way, reversing the movements, and once again, letting them feel good for your body. Circles are as large or as small as you need to make them today, whatever works. Come back through center, send the arms up, and as you exhale, twist to the right side. Inhale, come back up through center, and as you exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, reach arms through center, twist right. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist left. Center with your inhale, twist right with your exhale. Center, inhale, twist left, exhale. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, bring the hands to the floor this time. And rock yourself forward and back a little bit, maybe lifting the hips off the ground as you rock forward. Just feeling the movements here, just a little rocking action if it doesn't bother your knees. And maybe next time you rock yourself forward, you can lift the hips all the way and come into your table. If that didn't work, then swing the legs around and make your own way to table. Hands underneath the shoulders or maybe a little wider than the shoulders. Begin to rock the hips side to side and just notice what feels good here. So if your hands are too close together, separate them. Begin to take some cat-cows, going through one pose and then the other, and bend your elbows as you transition from one pose to the other. As you hug in through the belly and then push away, arching through the back. Find your own movements, and if you like, I do have a video on coming into this bended elbow cat-cow. Take your right leg back behind you and then bring it into center, then extend it back, then bring it into the right arm. Then extend it back, center, inhale back, exhale to the right arm, back with your inhale, exhale knee to center, inhale the leg back, exhale the knee to the right arm, try to touch that arm, extend back, inhale, take the knee down, a little rocking side to side, and then extend the left leg, lift it off the floor, bring the knee in towards your nose, and extend back with your inhale, knee to the outside of the left arm, back with your inhale. Center with your exhale, back with your inhale, to the arm, exhale, back, inhale, bring it in, exhale, inhale, extend, to the arm, exhale, reach, inhale, bring the knee to the ground, and come all the way up, reaching the arms up, still on your knees, interlace the fingers, turn the palms up, stretch through the right side, reaching all the way over, and then come back to center and extend, bending to the left side, stretching that. Come back to center, take the arms behind you, interlace the fingers, open up through the shoulders, opening up through the collarbones as you lift the arms without locking your elbows, and release the hands back down to the mat. Once again, hands at shoulder distance or a little wider. Lift the knees off the ground, take a down dog, and start to pedal out your feet. Bend one knee, then the other knee as you walk your feet in place, moving from the legs, from the heels, lifting one heel higher and then the other. Come back into your down dog, take a moment to align, then bend your knees, both of them, twist the knees to the right, and straighten through your right leg as you bend the left leg. Take the right arm up, straight up towards the ceiling, reaching it nice and high, and come back to center. Bend your knees, turn the knees to the left, straighten through your left leg. Keep the right leg bent, send the left arm all the way up, stretching it out, reaching nice and high, and come back to your center. Back to that down dog, bend your knees, wave your body forward, come into a high plank, and then bend your knees, send it back to your down dog. Keep your knees bent, float forward, high plank, bend your knees and wave it back into that down dog. So continue moving forward into plank and back into your down dog, bending the knees as you move from one pose to the other, finding smooth movements here as much as possible, flowing your body forward and then back to that down dog, as if you were waving through the spine, using the breath to help you there in those movements, undulating the movements up and down your body. It might take a little getting used to, but you can practice that. Take the right leg up behind you in your down dog, reach it nice and high. Keep your hips as even as possible here, and then bring the foot back down. Bend your knees, take the left leg up, reach it nice and high. Try to keep your hips as even as possible here. And once again, bring the foot back down to the floor, bend both knees. A little moment, a little stretch. Continue to lengthen through the spine, and then bring the feet together and walk or hop to the front of your mat. Half forward fold, fingertips can rest on shins as you lengthen the spine. And as you exhale, fold forward and soften. Press down, slowly rise, let the arms reach all the way up towards the ceiling, interlace the fingers, bend to the right side, come back to center, and bend to the left side. Come back to center, reach the arms behind you, interlace the fingers there, open through the shoulders, bend your knees, send the hips back as you fold over your bent legs and let your head release. Bring the hands to the behind your knees and hold on to opposite elbows there, letting your head release in the direction of the floor as you decompress your spine. Knees are bending here. Maybe a little rocking forward and back, shifting the weight. Take the hands to the floor, and when you're ready, slowly make your way all the way up. Bring the hands together at center, Tadasana. Cross the right ankle over your left ankle and fold forward there, reaching the hands to the floor or to support. Feel free to have blocks or hands on your legs. Make sure your hips do not go back. You want them over your legs here, and don't force it. It's a nice stretch for the outside of that top leg. Come back to center and switch sides. Cross the left ankle over the right ankle. Arms reach up nice and high, and then fold forward over your legs. Once again, hands on the floor or on support as needed. Let your head release, softening into your pose. Take a few breaths. Slowly rise and uncross your ankles. Reach the arms all the way up. Inhale. Exhale, hands to center. Inhale, the arms float up. Exhale, fold forward, bend your knees. Take the hands to the floor. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, bow and heel toe your feet out a little wider as you come into Malasana or yogic squat. And take your hands together at center, arms to the inside of your legs. Feel free to be a little higher if you need to sit on a block or any support that you need to. Right hand to the floor, send the left arm up, and then take that left arm around your back in a half bind, spinning the rib cage towards that side. And if you like to take a full bind, wrap the right arm around your right leg and bind your hands. If that is not happening, don't worry about it. Stay in the previous position. Come back to center, left hand on the floor, right arm reaches up towards the sky. Take the right arm around your back in that half bind as you spin the ribs open, and take the left arm around your back and come into that full bind if your body is ready for it. Don't force it if it is not. It's not necessary. Come back to center, hands together. Back to your Malasana, bring the hands to the floor and roll yourself up into a half forward fold, fingertips underneath your shoulders. Feet are still wide as you lengthen all the way up. Bend your knees, squat back down into Malasana, and then lift back up into that half forward fold. Bend your knees, squat back down to Malasana, and roll back up into that half forward fold. Spine is nice and long. And exhale, bend your knees, bring it back down, Malasana. And then rise back up into that half forward fold. Bring it all the way down, Malasana. And come to sit on your mat. Extend the legs forward and then bring the right foot to the left inner thigh. Turn the torso to your extended leg, your left leg, and fold forward over your leg. You can take your hands to your foot or you can hold on to your ankle, shin, hands on the floor, whatever feels comfortable today. Make sure that your spine is in natural alignment. Take the right hand to the left foot and the left hand behind you on the floor, behind your left hip, as you add a little bit of a twist. And once again, the right hand can be on your leg, on the floor, anywhere that you need to. You can always use a strap as well around the foot here if you like as you twist. Gently, not forcing the twist, never force. Come back to center. Switch legs, extend the right leg. Turn the torso towards your right leg. Inhale, and as you exhale, fold forward. Once again, grab onto the leg, to the foot, hands on the floor, using a strap, whatever you need. Take the left hand to the left leg or foot and right hand to the floor behind your hip as you add that twist here. Continue to press into the back of your extended leg. Continue to create length. Back to your center. Extend both legs forward, feet out wide. And reach for your feet, ankles, or shins as you fold. Hinge forward at your hips so the spine stays nice and long in its natural alignment, not forcing anything. Keep that breath going, nice steady breath. Walk yourself back up. And we are finished with today's practice. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.